So course 2, grade 7, I want to talk about 1.8 is simplifying algebraic expressions. So for talent show, individual skits that can last up to X minutes. So first information I have is individual skit can last up to X minutes each, and then group skit can last up to Y minute each, not only 2 Y minute each, and then intermission can last up to 15 minutes each. So what is the maximum length if 7 individual and then 9 group perform? So I assume it will be either individual goes first, and then after individual, I assume that it will be all of the individual goes first. All of the individual goes first, and then there will be an intermission. And then there's a group performance. So that in this case, if we are doing it this way, but again, it doesn't need to be do this way because here the intermission is not clear that it will be, it may have 2 or more in intermission. So from here, individual, 7 individual group, each group is X minute, plus intermission, plus each group is up to Y minute. Okay, so the total length may be 7x plus 9y plus 15. So that's what it may be. Okay, and then as a term, coefficient, and like terms. So what is a term? So a term can be a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. So a term can be a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. So a term can be a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. So terms in an expression can separate by plus or minus sign. And for coefficient is the number multiplied by a variable in an algebraic expression. So a coefficient is a number multiplied by a variable in an algebraic expression. So x is variable, so 7 is coefficient. So what are the like terms? So the like terms are terms with same variable. Raised to the same exponents. So like terms are terms with the same variables raised to the same exponents. Those are the like terms. So from here, I want to try to distinguish like terms and unlike terms. So first example, my like terms is 3x and 2x. So I have the same variable and then raised to the same power. Okay, so my like terms is w and w divided by 7. So these are my like terms. Again, I have same variable and they are raised to the same power. And again, I have my like terms 5 and 1.8. So these are the like terms. So what are the unlike terms? Unlike terms are 5x squared and 2x. So they are same, although they are same variable, but they are raised to different power. This is 2, this is 1. Okay, and then unlike terms, I have 6a and 6b. So these guys have different variables. Okay, and then I have 3.2 and n. So one has numbers, the other is just variable. So I have like terms and unlike terms. So I have this part is like terms and the right side is unlike terms. So how do we identify the like terms? So the like terms needs to be same variable, same power, same variable, same variable, same power. Okay, so it's just something like same variable, same power, same variable, same power. Okay, so I want it to be same variable, same power, same variable, same power. So with A, I have same variable, okay, same power. So the first group is 5a and 2 over 3a. So these are like terms. And then second, I have t. So here I have t to the power of 1. Again, I have t to the power of 1. Again, I have t to the power of 1. So these are like terms, t to the power of 2 and 7t and 2t. And then y to the power of 2, y to the power of 2. So these are also same variable, same power. So 3y squared and 4.5y squared. And then x squared, there's no x squared, there's no other x squared. 4z, there's no other z. K, there's no other k. So I have these three groups of like terms. So for this one, I just want to say that when like terms, they can be combined together because like terms have same variable with the same power. So like terms can be combined. So such as the tiles, just say the variable tiles, so 4x plus 5x equals to 9x. So x, I have 4x here, then I have 5x here, and then total I have 9x. So I have 9x. So 4x plus 5x equals to 9x. And then now in example 2, I have x and x. So 7x plus 2x equals to 9x. So we can think of there are 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 2x. So then total I have 9x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then I have x cubed, x cubed. So these are like terms. And I have y and y, and these are like terms. So I want to do combining the like terms. So I do 5x cubed plus 7x cubed plus 3y minus 2y minus 4x squared. And then I have 12x cubed plus 3 minus 2 or y minus 4x squared. Okay, and I want to write in order. So when I write in order, I write it with the same variable and power from the greatest to the smallest. So this equals to 12x cubed minus 4x squared plus y. So remember, these two cannot be combined together because they are different power. So this is our final answer. Okay, for this one, I will use distributive property first. 2 times a plus 2 times 2a squared. So this equals to 2a plus 2 times 2 is 4, 4a squared plus 2b. Okay, so there are no like terms, but I want to go from the highest power. So when we write algebraic expressions, we go with the variable that has the most terms, and then I do the power. So 4a squared plus 2a plus 2b. Okay, then now I have a geometric application. So I want to write an expression of the parameter of the rectangle. So now the parameter of the rectangle is b plus h plus b plus h. So this equals to, I combine the like terms. So I get 2b plus, and I get h, and I get h. So plus 2h. Okay, and then let's do think and discuss, and I'll see you in class.